Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. This is Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage. Hasn't been real crafty lately, but I'm gonna get there. Anyway, today is 21st Tuesday, hosted by JanetKay, and I'll have her full channel name with the @ in the in the title actually. And also the hashtag 21st Tuesday. So if you want to participate, it's an open collab hosted by her. Just make sure you mention her channel with the @ like I have in the title, and also the hashtag 21st Tuesday so everyone can find you. Or if you just want to watch, all the ones for the whole year all the videos will be out there if you just search on that hashtag. So I made 10. One of my objectives this year, or one of my goals, is to use up old paper. So I have had this pack of Friendly Hello, which was a Stampin' Up celebration item, I think a year or so ago. This is what I have left still. My goal is to finish this soon because I have lots of beautiful new papers. I have some other ones I want to finish too. So you might be seeing a lot of that and a lot of the other ones I actually have less of in some of the other ones. Anyway, you get the idea. So also, I thought, oh, I found these and I thought, oh, wouldn't they be perfect for twinchies because they're just the right size, right? So I use these. These are from My Favorite Stamps. I just bought these not too long ago. I don't know if it has a date on it now. And but anyway, I had a haul with or two from My Favorite Things, and this was one of the things. So I used that on some of them. I used one of these beautiful flowers, this one here, but I did, and a butterfly. And then the rest of them were too big, and this wasn't the right color, so I didn't use the rest of them. And I used one little sticker out of here, and I kind of wish I hadn't. But these are actually from Hobby Lobby, and they are the, I have that on the wrong side. They're from the Easter collection. Let me, from, I don't know when, but not this year. Haven't been in Hobby Lobby this year, so it's either been last year or the year before, or it had to be last year because it says 2021. So last year, Hobby Lobby, Easter. I'm just going to show you things I used. I used some of the Pool Party Color Glossy Dots assortment, which are current in Stampin' Up's annual catalog. I used some of the green and the purple. I don't think I used the yellow. I think I was thinking about it and didn't. Of those little flowers, which are called Fun Flowers Resin Shapes, and I believe they're in the current annual catalog as well. I didn't use those. And then I used some of the Dollar Tree purples, and I think I used this color here. And of course the paper, and also this 1.5 inch scallop punch from EK Success, I guess. And on one of them, I used these decorative scissors. Now I have this punch I just got not long ago from Stampin' Up. It's in their current mini catalog that goes through April. However, I cut my paper too short, and I couldn't, even, it was just, I was fumbling. So I thought, you know what, I have decorative scissors. I have like 5 or 6 of them that had been gifted to me years ago by Dana. I can't remember her channel name. I don't think she's on YouTube much anymore. And it's this one here. The inks I used, Memento Tuxedo Black. I haven't done my black ink comparison yet. Stampin' Up papers I used, Basic White, Fresh Freesia, Basic Black. I think that's it. And some of the other ones then are cut out of the actual designer paper. Ribbons, Fresh Freesia. Let me see if that's the new. What is this called? Open weave ribbon. 2 little pieces of, this is retired black organdy, glittered organdy ribbon. one or two pieces of this sheer pool party ribbon. And this is just like the Fresh Freesia, but it's in Pale Papaya, this one here. And then this is actually Parakeet Party Color. And all I did was glue down like five strips going across because it's really thin. And I didn't want to wrap it around the base, but I also didn't want to do the banner thing like I did on the other ones mostly. So that's it. This one I die cut a pool party circle, and I stamped, and I tried to stamp down in the corner because I knew I wanted to cut this off. So I kind of layered it so the blue would be under the white, but I'm kind of thinking I need to do something around the edges with that one. And this had a bird on it already, so I didn't really want to do anything. Boy, that light's will go dark. I didn't want to do anything else on that, and this one didn't have a bird in the picture, but here's where I used the decorative scissors. Just a little piece. I just pulled on that ribbon and it pulled apart. Yeah. These two I used the blending brush, this one with Fresh Freesia, and this ink is Shaded Spruce, because there is Shaded Spruce in that paper. I was originally going to make these two birthday-ish, but and these I used two different types of gems, the little flowers in purple, and I thought they didn't really go with Sending Sunshine, so I added some, I think they're Daffodil Delight out of this pack. So that has lots of bling on it, which I don't know. This one only has one little flower in the center. This has three green ones. This had the Hobby Lobby, one of those stickers, and then I put three of the little gemmy flowers on. Oh, this ribbon is white seam binding. Let's see if I can get a hold of it. It's just like crinkled seam binding ribbon, white, and I'm pretty sure that's current. Also with Stampin' Up, I love this one with the flower and the butterfly sticker on there, and then just a little bit of that purple ribbon, which Fresh Freesia, which pulls apart. I'm gonna have to fix that one and the other one now. So yeah, that's my makes for Twinchy First Tuesday this time. I was kind of thinking, well, maybe I'd do more Valentine's ones because we're not up to Valentine's just yet. But I'm kind of over it. Kind of over Valentine. I might still do a Valentine card or two. So anyway, what I'm thinking is I might make little note cards out of these instead of full-size cards. Because hindsight's 20/20, you know? If I would have made like any three exactly the same, I could have had like on a, or maybe I can just do, well, even two. There's no two exactly alike. So like if I had put two birds, and then I could do something else over here as a sentiment, but this one's on Pool Party and this one's on white. So these are each going to probably go on separate little note cards. Yeah. I mean, I guess I could do this Sending Sunshine with that purple flower because they're both on Pool Party, but, or this one. But then I have ribbon on both of them. I don't know. I think they're all going to be separate. Next time I'll try and do them, well, I say that. I'll try to remember to do them all kind of the same. And maybe not that many of them, but I'm just trying to use things up. But I had to think about that. If these are 2 inches, which they are, on a 5 1/4, I guess I could squeeze 3 in, but I think I'd leave the ribbon off and maybe just have these like 3 flowers, and then I can put a sentiment somewhere else. You know what I mean? Hope that made sense. These two are total oddballs. So I did these 2 at the same time, 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 and these just have a couple little Pool Party blings on too. So I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to check the hashtag and Go check everyone else out. 2023 for me is a year of use some stuff up. But you know what? It takes a long time, unless you have a major project or do scrapbooking, to use up 12 by 12 paper. Yes, it does. And even if you cut it down, it just makes so much paper. You know, you could cut it into 4 inches to have card mats, and then have a little strip at the bottom left over after you cut it'd be 2, 4, 6 card mats out. But if you have 12 pieces of paper times 6 card mats, you know, that's a lot of cards out of one pack of paper, from Stampin' Up anyway. And some of the paper pads have, like, I don't know, 24 or 48 sheets. So it's a lot of paper. Plus then I have 6 by 6. Woohoo! Thus the reason I do Kendra's card challenge with 6 by 6, and sometimes I do Call Me Crafty Owl's monthly card thing. So, but then I end up with a lot of cards, and I don't send that many cards. I should send more cards. I know that. Anyway, enough rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back very soon. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.